What do you think, Liam?
They can't touch it. Is it a leopard?
No, it's a little pussycat sleeping. Shh.
They can't touch it.
Yes, you can touch it.
Is it a real cat?
From here?
It doesn't move.
Is it a real cat, Daddy?
Yeah, it's real. Look, it's breathing. Shh, shh, shh. See him breathing? Look. Careful, Andrew. Don't leave it, Andrew.
Oh, I'm scared.
Wake up, little pussycat.
When's it gonna wake up?
It's gonna sleep for a little while because it's tired. It's been running around like crazy in the pet store. What do you think? What should we name it? What should we name it,
Is
James?
it a real cat, Daddy?
Yeah, yeah.
Daddy, is it?
Does it look like it? Look, it's breathing. Shh, look. Can you hear it purring too?
Are you kidding?
Look.
Oh my goodness, I'm
Can we
scared.
wake it up and see if it's real?
Yeah, we can pick it up. Oh. Don't wake him up. Don't wake him up.
No.
Do you want to hold him, James?
Yeah.
Okay, wait.